Hi there beautiful people, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and today I am actually sharing a little bit of an older video. I have pre-recorded this I think like 6 maybe even 8 weeks ago, I'm not quite sure. But because there's like a lot of like holidays going on at the moment and work is quite busy, I didn't have enough time to record new footage. So that was why I decided to just grab this little bit older footage from like 2 months ago and share with you anyways. So that is pretty much why my nails look quite different than how my nails looked in the previous video. Of course, my middle fingernail on my left hand is already the same length as the rest of my nails at this moment, so please just ignore that and just watch me rock my little shorty in between. But yeah, first of all, you want to make sure you start off with clean nails. And as I mentioned in a lot of my videos, yes, these are my natural nails, but I do apply a very thin coat of gel polish base and top coat to strengthen my nails a little bit, because my full-time, like daytime regular job is quite manual, quite heavy duty, and it just puts a lot of pressure on my nails. So to keep them long and luscious, I just apply a little base and top coat of gel, and that just helps me out so much. So yeah, first of all, of course, start out with clean nails as I just mentioned, and I am just applying the Holo Taco Quick Dry Base right here. I have been quite happy with this one, and usually I just go for like my Dior or my Essence or my Catrice bases and top coats, which you will see at the end of the video when I will be applying the top coat. But this Holo Taco one is actually quite nice. I feel like it gives a very nice smooth like surface to work on, and it also dries really fast as well, so it pretty much does what it promises. They came out with this one, I think it was a couple of months ago, together with the chromey kind of colors, which those work really well together too, but this base just works perfectly with any other nail polish brand or color or finish and so on. And after your base coat is fully dry, you want to go in with your colored polish, or maybe even a glittery one if you're using that right now. So for today's video, I'm going in with a polish by Catrice. This is from their updated Spring Summer 2023 collection. This one is 143 LavendHER. I always love the names they came up with or come up with for their polishes, and the quality is always so good. Just seriously, this full-on manicure, it only took me a couple of minutes because it is a one coater. Like, I kid you not, I was so surprised to see a light lavender purpley shade like this, very pastel, to be a one coater. I do think that if you have shorter nails, you can always go for just one single coat. I do have to mention that I didn't apply a super thin layer. That was mostly because I didn't have a lot of time recording this video either. So yeah, I just decided to smack on a little bit of a thicker layer, but it didn't really took that much longer to be like fully dry and hardened out and so on. So yeah, I'm really impressed with the quality of this polish. Just the color on its own is just gorgeous. I love lavender, lilac-y, purpley kind of tones next to pinks, of course. I think this color would be really beautiful to combine with a pink pastel shade as well. It's just really gorgeous, and yeah, I'm just really impressed with how opaque this light pastel shade was within just one coat. As you can see right here, like it's like 90% opaque within the first layer, and I am living for this. Like seriously, I love it. Then again, the color, it might not float everyone's boat, but to be honest, it is springtime right now and I'm just loving colors like these. So yeah, let me know what you think about this color, and also what are you wearing on your nails right now yourself? I'm really curious to hear about that. Or maybe you're just sitting down relaxing and painting your nails together with me while watching this video. Let me know what you are applying as we speak. Then once your colored coat is fully dry, I tend to wait like 3 to 5 minutes before going in with my top coat. I am using one by Essence. As I mentioned in the intro part of the video, I tend to grab for bases and top coats, a lot of Essence, Catrice, Dior polishes and so on, because those are my favorites. I didn't think I've used this one before actually recording this video, but I don't really like, of course I have pre-recorded this video like 2 months ago, so I'm not quite sure how happy I was with the end result and how long the wear time was with this top coat. I can't really remember if it was like really bad, so I guess it must have been quite good. But then again, I do have a very manual daytime job, so I tend to get some tip wear throughout the week. Like after working 5 to 6 days, I definitely feel like I have to redo my manicure just because of the tip wear. But then again, that I have with pretty much every top coat. So yeah, for the price, I'd say give it a go. It's not bad at all. I think Essence has like top coats for like 2 to 3 euros, and of course the Catrice polish is only $2.99. Essence and Catrice are completely vegan, cruelty-free and so on, and of course the Holo Taco base is cruelty-free, vegan as well. The only thing I did want to mention is that with creamy polishes, there tends to be some pickup on the brush when it comes to applying your top coat, so make sure to wipe off that brush before putting it back into the bottle once you're finished. Otherwise your top coat will become very muddy and just quite nasty looking, and that is not what you want. But yeah, this was already the whole nail polish application. As I mentioned, all of the products I'm using today are vegan, cruelty free. They are very safe to use. They are at least 5 free as well. And yeah, I just had a little question at the end of this video. I haven't really mentioned it yet, but I feel like I want to turn into a different direction with my YouTube channel. And that was something I really wanted to talk to you about, because I have been sharing my oracle card reads, which is something that I love to do, and I'm definitely not like an ultimate pro or anything, but I just really want to share more about that, share some reviews and flip throughs of my oracle card decks as well. So please let me know what you think about that. Of course, I will always be doing nail art related stuff like nail polishes, gel polishes and so on, but I really want to switch it up a bit by doing some oracle and tarot card like readings, flip throughs, reviews, which decks I love, which ones I don't like as much. So yeah, let me know what you think about that. And for now, thank you guys so much for watching, and I can't wait to read your feedback. And yeah, I hope to see you in my next video as well.